Take a little bit of a nap, skis. Wake up even more fucking hungry.
Yeah. Boss shit. Try me if you want.
Come on. No. 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 Dude, we're so fucking close. More shit, dog. Who's this boy? What's the boy's name? Birds galore, birds galore, birds galore. Oh! Look at the baby! Get the fuck out of the way! Look at the baby turtle! Oh my god!
I like turtles.
Let him go! Oh, there's a lot of turtles. Yeah, I got 3 round meat. Yeah. I'm gonna hold out the skull to terrify people. There's some people right there, bro. I'm just gonna cross the stream here, boys. Are these guys squaring me up right now? Please. I'm gonna go! Oh! Yeah! Yeah! You think you could do that? Oh, yeah. Who's the goat? Who's the goat? Who's the goat? Teabag, 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 teabag. You wanna see something? You wanna see something cool? Oh, look at your husband. Look at your fucking stupid ass, motherfucking bitch ass husband. I killed this bitch ass too. You try to hang me on the wall? Oh yeah. So I got myself a little bit of a structure. Okay. It's really nothing. If I need to go get food, I can go to. I have to have that. That looks sick. Where'd I go swim out to this boat over here? It looks like a little bit of a mission. Go try the mission. No, come on, let's get to the boat. This is like one of my biggest fucking fears, though. Right now, what I'm doing. I would never do this in a million years. Oh, there's a dead body in here. I got a pistol, bro? Dude. Shut the fuck up! I don't even want to move, bro. I don't want to move. I just saw. I just saw something that I just don't even want to fucking do. What the fuck? Dude, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? Go! Come on! Oh my god, this is fucking terrifying. Of fucking course, we see a fucking goddamn stupid ass shark, dude. What the fucking fuck, dude? Don't even start with the goddamn music right now.
Step the fuck back, bitch! What the fuck you think this is? Yeah! Yeah! Run, bitch! Yeah! What you think this is? You think this whole block? Oh shit! This pussy ass running! Yeah, what you think this is, bitch? What you think this is? Stay there! Stay there! Stay there! Yeah! 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 You just got owned!
It's a whole ass village.
Oh, bro. Stop, bro. What do you think about this? Bro, we could have made this fair. Dead. You run, pussy. Oh, Stay back. Stay back!
I died. There we go, light that bitch on fire. Oh shit, maybe not, you throw that other one. Oh shit! Oh, I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. Cool. Oh, did I just click restart? Well, cool. Peace, adieu, and goodbye. Jesus, fuck.
Hey, Kush, come on, lean, soda, perk, floating high.